Meaning of excite.
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 Excite. The term excite means to cause a feeling of enthusiasm or eagerness in someone. When something excites a person, it can lead to increased energy levels, a heightened sense of awareness, and a desire to take action. Excitement can come from a variety of sources, including positive news, an upcoming event, or the anticipation of achieving a goal. When individuals experience excitement, they may feel a sense of joy or pleasure, which can improve their mood and overall well-being. Ultimately, excitement can inspire people to pursue new opportunities and experiences in life.